What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are in the midst of a Vlogmas still, and this is my Rbsg video for the month of December, and I am super excited for this one because A, it's going to be a real fun one, but B, we're almost at the end of the year and almost at the end of season 3, which is so crazy to say. I think we're done in February. I think we maybe have 2 more months to go or 1 more month to go. I don't really know. But yeah, so for those of you who haven't been here before, this is my makeup challenge video girl gang group that I'm here a part of on YouTube. We have the Rbsg group, which is Random Beauty Support Group, and we do monthly challenges of videos where we do makeup challenges, a random word is generated, yada yada yada, given to us, instructions, and then we just kind of go with the flow. So with the creative juices flowing through my body right now at the moment, and it's December, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. I'll explain just a little bit more here in about 2.5 seconds. So without further ado, you guys note that just, if you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D. And let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, so for those of you who haven't been here before, welcome to the hashtag Diva Fam. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe down below. I post videos 2 to 3 times a week. They're beauty, makeup, and lifestyle videos, and also makeup challenge videos and giveaways. So if that's something you guys want to be a part of, I would love for you guys to go ahead and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. I also have all my other social medias linked down below as well. I do post a lot on TikTok and on Instagram, all those platforms, including YouTube. So thank you guys so much for being here. Also, I will have the Vlogmas playlist linked down below. Also, any current giveaways that are going on for Vlogmas also down below as well. So you can go back and check out those videos so you can enter into those giveaways. So like I said, today is the Rbsg video where a random word is generated for us by our captain leader in the group, and then it is given to someone on the team, and then they basically just give us, you know, a little bit of instructions on what to do. So the word for this month is character, and the word was given to Faye here on our group, and the word was given to Faye here in our group, and she decided to tell us what to do with this word. So the word again is character, and she basically said she wanted to challenge us, you know, go out with a bang. She wanted us to create a look of one half side of 2 different characters, like half and half of a face. So this is really going to throw a lot of these girls out of their comfort zone, so I can't wait to see what they do. I've already kind of slightly started my makeup because I didn't want this to be a super long video. The main palette I'll probably be using today is this one. It's the Morphe James Charles palette. It's the one we all like to use because it's just like, it's the artistry palette that has all the colors, all the good stuff. Obviously it's no longer around anymore, at least I don't think so. Maybe it is on the website, but I definitely don't think I've seen it in store. But so, without further ado, just go ahead and jump into this video. If you guys can guess down below before we get to the video of what I'm doing for my look, then you might win something. I don't know. Just you might have to wait until the end of this video and figure something out, or I don't know. So anyways, here's a little bit of a sneak peek of what my eyebrows are doing right now at the moment. So let's just go ahead and jump into this video. I'm going to zoom you in so you guys can kind of see the makeup process, and let's go. Alright, so we are back and the makeup is done. I finished a little bit more of it off camera. But did you guys guess what I was doing before we got to the end of this video? I was too excited to do this. Again, it is Christmas time. It is the time of giving. But again, The Grinch is like one of my favorite movies. And I kind of did something like this last year, but slightly a little bit more different. The one I did last year was a little bit more on like the cartoon side. This one's a little bit more glam-ish. But you can see I did the little Cindy Lou Who, you know, hair. I did all like, you know, the pink makeup over here. Little highlight in the center. I'm really loving how this makeup turned out, and I'm so excited to say that there is a giveaway in this video. There is a giveaway. Anyways, that was stupid. Goofy me. So there's a giveaway in this video. And again, as we're in the midst of green, also this sweatshirt is way too oversized, but you can see it has a little Grinch all over it, but it's not the right color scheme. But it's very warm, I will say that. But it is way too oversized for me. Like, I bought this when I was like thicker, and I'm no longer that thick anymore. But like I said, there is a giveaway in this video, and as we're saying, the theme of green, this is what I will be giving away today. This is the Physicians Formula. I love my skin. It's so matcha. It has a 3-in-1 melting cleansing balm, and then it also has the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Beauty Water. So this is what it looks like. It has a value of $30 or more is what it says. But this is a really cute little gift set I wanted to give away to you guys. So I appreciate you guys watching today's video. How do you guys think I did on the makeup, on the hair? I had so much fun doing this tonight. Again, I'm filming late at night because my fiance is at work, and it's just the easiest way for me to film. But don't forget to go ahead, you guys, and check out the playlist down below of all the other girlies that are also in this Rbsg group. So thank you guys so much for being here. I don't know why I'm jumbling all of my words. I can't talk. I'm tired. But that's today. See? Anyways, this is the end of the video. So I appreciate you guys being here so much. You guys know all the details to my giveaways will always be linked down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. But let me know how you guys think I did. I think it's great. Without further ado, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!